Isn't it weird? Right? You're trying to marry someone without going through a date. Sige nga, mga babae dito. Sa mga babae dito na hindi marupok. What would you do to a guy na lumapit sa'yo, kahit lumapit sa'yo tapos inalokan ka, na pwede bang magtanan na tayo? Hindi mo nakasal. Magtanan lang muna. Ano yung gagawin mo? Sige nga. Tawag pulis. Ay, dili lang. Punch him. Hindi ba? Isn't it creepy? Super creepy, right? So if you feel creepy na dinadaan ka sa ganyang paraan, why would you do that to your customer and clients? Right? You try to bombard them with the features, benefit, ito yung makukuha mo, ito yung bonus. So ano yung solusyon? Stop selling the mansion, sell the bridge. What do I mean by that? Before mo ipakita gaano kaganda yung langit, bigyan mo muna sila ng ladder palabas sa impyernong nandun sila ngayon. Do you still remember what I said earlier? Every customers and audience you have right now has a battle you do not know. Lahat tayo. Meron tayong mga pinagdadaanan. Ayaw natin ng promise. What we want is a digestible solution. Can you please type in sa chat? Digestible solution. In our ecosystem, we call it the minimum viable offer.